Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Vtopmart Airtight food storage containers with lids 4 PCS set 3.2L, plastic spaghetti container for pasta organizer, BPA-free airtight house kitchen pantry organization and storage. Horizontal storage. Our pasta storage containers can lay horizontally from front to back of the cabinet instead of standing upright, which avoids things getting lost at the back of the shelf and keeps every item close to the front. Perfect for not large but deep cabinets. So clever to have your long pasta lay flat, so you can just reach right in and grab a handful. Suitable storage size. The set comes with 4 same-size kitchen storage containers, 3.2L/2.9 QT/108 FLOs for each. Large enough for 8-pound spaghetti, also perfect for pasta, fettuccine, lasagna noodles, angel hair, linguine, fusilli, farfalle, garganelli, macaroni, cereals, snacks, and other dry food. Secure sealing ensure freshness. The side-locking lids are thick yet easy to snap on and off. The rubber gasket of our pasta containers keeps out air and moisture. Durable. Vtopmart pantry containers are made of shatterproof plastic, BPA-free, which have a longer life than many other brands of plastic containers. Thanks for watching and subscribe.